Have you ever found yourself staring at a plain glass of lemon water, hoping for a miracle but feeling a little underwhelmed? I know I have. For years, I thought that squeezing a lemon into my water was the ultimate health hack. I'd see all those wellness influencers raving about their morning lemon water routines, promising glowing skin, better digestion, and a magical detox. But honestly, after a while, it just felt boring. The taste was okay, but nothing to write home about. And as for the results, well, let's just say I wasn't exactly waking up with radiant skin or boundless energy. If you've ever felt disappointed by the hype around plain lemon water, you're definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to take your lemon water game to a whole new level? One that actually delivers on those promises and tastes amazing too. Here's the secret I wish I'd known sooner. Just add ginger and chia seeds to your lemon water and suddenly you've got a powerhouse drink that's so much more than the sum of its parts. It's like a flavor explosion and a wellness boost all in one glass. The moment you drop those fresh ginger slices and a spoonful of chia seeds into your lemon water, you can almost feel the transformation happening. The ginger infuses a spicy, invigorating kick, while the chia seeds add a fun jelly-like texture that makes every sip interesting. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make, with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. The result? Instant glow up in a glass. Seriously, this isn't just another trendy health drink. Lemon ginger chia water is the real deal, and there's a reason why everyone who tries it becomes obsessed. Just look at that vibrant golden color, the way the lemon slices float alongside the ginger, and the chia seeds swell up into tiny pearls. It's like a spa day for your senses, but the real magic happens when you take that first sip. The flavors are bright, zesty, and refreshing, with a subtle heat from the ginger, and a satisfying texture from the chia. It's the kind of drink that makes you feel healthier with every gulp, and it's so delicious, you'll actually look forward to drinking it every day. Let's break down why this drink is so powerful, starting with the humble lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is a superstar antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, supports your immune system, and even boosts collagen production for healthier skin. But that's not all. Lemon juice is also known for its detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from your body, supports liver function, and can even help balance your body's pH levels. So when you add fresh lemon juice to your water, you're not just getting a burst of tangy flavor, you're giving your body a gentle, natural cleanse. It's like saying bye-bye toxins every time you take a sip. Next up is ginger, and let me tell you, this root is a game changer. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits. It's packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. But what really sets ginger apart is its ability to support digestion. If you've ever struggled with bloating, indigestion, or nausea, ginger is your new best friend. It helps soothe your stomach, stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, and keeps things moving smoothly through your gut. Plus, that spicy zing wakes up your taste buds and gives you a natural energy boost. No caffeine required. So when you add ginger to your lemon water, you're not just making it taste better, you're giving your gut the support it needs to feel its best. And then there are chia seeds, the tiny superfood that packs a serious punch. When you add chia seeds to water, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, swelling up into little gel-like beads. This not only gives your drink a fun, unique texture, but it also helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and more control over your appetite. But the benefits don't stop there. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which supports healthy digestion and keeps things moving. They're also a great source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Plus, they provide a steady release of energy, so you can stay focused and energized throughout the day. It's amazing how something so small can make such a big difference. So what happens when you mix all these powerhouse ingredients together? You get a drink that does it all. Lemon ginger chia water boosts your energy, helps flush out toxins and waste, supports healthy digestion, and keeps you feeling fresh and hydrated all day long. It's the perfect way to start your morning, recharge after a workout, or give yourself a healthy pick-me-up in the afternoon. And the best part? It's so easy to make. Just pour water into a glass, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, add a few slices of ginger, and sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. Give it a good stir, let the chia seeds soak for a few minutes, and you're ready to go. It's a simple ritual that can make a huge difference in how you feel, inside and out. And let's not forget about the taste. Lemon ginger chia water is so delicious, you'll actually look forward to drinking it every day. The bright citrus from the lemon, the spicy warmth from the ginger, and the fun, chewy texture from the chia seeds come together to create a drink that's both refreshing and satisfying. It's the kind of drink that makes you feel like you're treating yourself, even though it's incredibly good for you. And because it's naturally sweet and flavorful, you won't even miss sugary sodas or artificial drinks. In fact, you might find yourself reaching for this healthy alternative again and again, just because it tastes so good. Now you might be wondering, do I need to buy expensive detox powders, fancy supplements, or weird herbal teas to get these benefits? Absolutely not. That's one of the best things about lemon ginger chia water. You don't need to spend a fortune or hunt down exotic ingredients. Everything you need is right in your kitchen. Fresh lemons, a knob of ginger, a handful of chia seeds, and some clean water. That's it. No artificial flavors, no added sugars, no mysterious chemicals, just pure, natural goodness. It's proof that sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. So, let's recap. All you need to make this amazing drink is water, lemon, ginger, and chia seeds. That's 4 simple ingredients that work together to give you a powerful health boost. And the best part? You can customize it to suit your taste. Like it extra tangy? Add more lemon. Want a stronger kick? Throw in a few extra slices of ginger. Prefer a thicker texture? Add more chia seeds and let them soak a little longer. You can even experiment with adding a touch of honey or a few fresh mint leaves for an extra burst of flavor. The possibilities are endless, and you're in control. Once you've got your ingredients ready, just shake it up, sip, and let the good vibes roll. There's something so satisfying about watching the chia seeds dance around in the glass, the lemon and ginger infusing their flavors, and knowing that you're doing something amazing for your body. It's a little moment of self-care that can set the tone for your whole day. And the more you make it, the more you'll start to notice the benefits. Clearer skin, better digestion, more energy, and a general sense of well-being that comes from nourishing your body with real, whole foods. Don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. Commit to drinking lemon ginger chia water every day for a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised by how much more energized, focused, and refreshed you are. Maybe you'll notice your skin looking brighter, your digestion feeling smoother, or your cravings for junk food starting to fade away. It's amazing what a simple daily habit can do for your health and happiness. And the best part? It's so easy to stick with, because it tastes so good and makes you feel so great. Your body will thank you. Trust me, if you're ready to join the lemon ginger chia water revolution, hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy tips, and let me know in the comments, are you team lemon ginger chia, or do you have your own favorite detox drink? I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your creations. Remember, taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes all it takes is a few simple ingredients, a little creativity, and a commitment to making healthy choices every day. So grab your lemons, ginger, and chia seeds, and let's toast to feeling our best, one delicious sip at a time.